Mad Sparrow and the Three Wild Birds. I Fairy Tale by Juan Pablo Delgado. On Newton a day there was a strong boy called Mad Sparrow. He was on the way to see his best friend Marcus when he decided to take a shortcut through Yellowstone. I once, long before my goal lost, he looked around, but as he called his weird treats, nervously he fell into his bag for his favorite toy, Superman. But Superman was nowhere to be found. Mike began to panic. He felt sure he had packed Superman. To make matters worse, he was starting to feel hungry. Unexpectedly, he had a wildebeest dressed in blood scared, disappearing on the trees. How odd, thought Matt. For the want of anything better, he decided to follow to peculiarly dressed birds. Perhaps it's called tell him the way of the forest. Eventually, Matt reached a clearing. He found himself surrounded with house mouth from different sort of food. There was a house made from sweet potatoes, a house made from chocolates, a house made from pancakes, and a house made from cheese. Matt called Fitz Tommy rumbling, looking at the house did nothing to ease his hunger. Hello, he called. It's anybody there? Nobody replied. Matt looked out the roof on the closet house and wondered if it would be rude to eat somebody else's chimney. Obviously, it would be impolite to eat at the Wally house, but perhaps it would be considered acceptable, don't even the odd fixture or like the odd fitting in a time of need. A cackle broke through the air, giving Matt a fright. A watch jumped into the space in front of the house. She was carrying a cage. In the cage was Superman. Superman showed the Matt he turned to witch. That's Matt toy. The witch used sugar. Give it Superman by. Could Matt not on your Nelly, say the witch. At least let Superman out the cage. Before she could roughly, Three Wild Birds roots in front of a footpath on the other side of the clearing. Matt recognized the one in the black scarf he had seen earlier. The witch seemed to recognize him too. Hello, big bird, said the witch. Good morning, the witch noted Superman. What it is? That's Superman, explained the witch. Oh, Superman, what look lovely in my house. Give it to me, demanded the bird. The witch should hear hit Superman is staying with me. Oh, excuse me, Matt interrupted. Superman lies with me and not in cage. Big Bird ignoring him. Is there nothing you will trade? He asked the witch. The witch thought for a moment and said, I don't like the internet. I will release Hindu and body. Welcome it at Wally front door. Big Bird looked at the housemaid from cheap and said no problem. I called it an entire house made from cheap. It did one too. That is nothing, said the next bird. I call it the house. There is no need to shut up, said the witch. Just it on front door and will you have Superman. Matt watched, feeling very worried. He didn't want the witch to give a Superman the big beard. He didn't think Superman was like living on a wild beard away from his house and his other toys. The other two bird watch will be beard put in his bed and withered at its night out for from his pocket. I will eat this whole house, say big beard, you watch. By beard poured out a corner of the front door of the house made from chocolates. He gulped, I downed smiling, and we bought for more, and more and more. Eventually, big beer started to get bigger, just a little bit bigger. A feet put added a feet more for fulls of chocolate. He great to sit out alert snowball, and he was every bit wrong. I don't fit to good say big beer. Suddenly he started to roll. He'd grown so round that he could no longer balance. Hell, he cried as he rolled down and sloped into the forest. Big Bear never finished eating the front door made from chocolates and Superman remained trapped in the witch cage. Average Bear stepped out and approached the house made from pancakes. He will eat this whole house, said Average Bear. Just you watch. Average Bear pulled out a corner of the front door of the house made from pancakes. She gulped it down, smiled, and went back for more, and more and more. Other will Average Bear start to loot a lady quit. She would greener, and woodcutter walking into the clearing. What is this butch done here? He asked. I am not a butch, I am a bear, said Average Bear. Itel exclaimed the woodcutter. Those talking butch are the worst king. I better take I away before somebody get hurt. No way, cried Average Bear. As the woodcutter figured it out, but the woodcutter ignored her cries and carried the bear away under his arm. Average Bear never finished eating the front door made from pancakes, and Superman remained trapped in the witch cage. Little Bear stepped out and approached the house made from chips. I will eat this whole house, said Little Bear. Just you watch. Little Bear poured on the corner of the front door of the house made from cheese. He gulped I don't smiling and went back for more and more and more. Other 5 or 6 platefuls. Little Bear stored the fish uncomfortably on the spot. He stopped eating cheese for a moment, then grabbed another forkful. But before he could eat, there came an enemy raid. A wooden board louder than a rocket taking out properly Little Bear on the skates. Ah! Cried the Little Bear in a scared of hate. Little Bear was never seen again. Little Bear never finished eating the front door made from cheese, and Superman remained trapped in the witch cage. That it is, sighed the witch. I win get to keep Superman. No so fat, said Matt. There is still on front door to go. The front door of the house made from sweet potatoes, and I haven't had a tour yet. I do not have to give it you a turn, louder which my gay my rules. The woodcutter's voice carried through the forest. I think you should give him a chance. It is only fair. Finny see the witch. Would you shut what happening? All the beats. He won't last long. I will be right back. Simon, what say the witch? Will you spend on impatient? Do you want Superman back? My ignore the witch and gather food and heavy pillow of sticks. He come back to the clearing and start a small campfire. Careful he brought out a piece the door of the house made from sweet potatoes and tossed at it over the fire. Once I had cooked it and cooled just a little he that took bit he quickly devoured the whole piece. Matt sat down on an early lot. You file Kikul the witch, you were supposed to eat the world door. I haven't finished, explained Matt. I am just waiting for my foot to go down. When Matt's foot had digested, he brought out another piece of the dough made from sweet potatoes. Once more he tossed his foot over the fire and waited for it to cool just a little. He ate it at leisure pace, then waited for it to digest. Eventually, after several sittings, Matt was done of the final piece of the dough made from sweet potatoes. Careful, he touched and allowed it cold just a little. He finished its final course. Matt had eaten the entire front door of the house made from sweet potatoes. The witch stamped for food angry. You must hate me, she said. I don't reward cheating. I don't I don't think so, said a voice. It was Woodcutter. He walked back in the clearing, carrying his eggs. This little boy won't fail and squats. No hand over Superman, or I will shut your broomstick and hold. The witch looked horrified. She grabbed her broomstick and placed a bay in her, then holding, she opened the door of the cage. Matt hurried over and grabbed Superman, checking that his favorite toy was alright. Fortunately, Superman was unharmed. Matt thanked to Woodcutter, grabbed and hit souvenir, and hurried. On the main Marcus, I was starting to get dark. When Matt got to Marcus' house, his best friend threw his arms around his. He was so worried. Real Marcus, you are very late. As Matt described his day, he called that Marcus didn't believe it. He so grabbed a knife from his pocket. What's that? Asked Marcus. Matt engrammed a doorknob made from chocolates. Pudding, he said. Marcus almost fell out his chair. The inn.